When entering the clean room, we have to take certain measures to make sure we don't contaminate it. For example, our clothing. But there are more things to do, and if you want to find out, follow me into the clean room. So one question is, how do we take notes inside the clean room? It's obvious that if we take a computer, there's no problem at all. But if we want to do it by hand, we have to make sure that we use kind of a felt tip pen or a biro and not a standard pencil. Why is this the case? If we take a look here at this microscopic photo of a graphite pencil, you can see at the tip there are several of those crumbs or particles. And if we now use it to write something down on a sheet of paper, those particles are transferred to the paper. And they are lying there quite loosely, and if we move the paper, they will get free and contaminate the clean room. But we have to go even further. We cannot use a standard paper. This is a special clean room paper, and it's classified for a clean room, and even if we move it, it doesn't produce too much particles. And the worst case would be if we tear the paper, and we did a short video on that. So here, this is a standard paper, and you can see, especially in the end, there are lots of particles. Those are millions of particles which are produced just by tearing the paper, and this would contaminate the clean room, and we would have big problems to produce our micro-optical components. By the way, an interesting fact, we also use this paper for the printers, and we don't use, for example, a laser printer because it produces much more particles than an inkjet printer. If we go even further, for example, we cannot use standard hand gloves. It's not possible because the standard gloves, they are powdered and they would produce too many particles. So those are special parts, and even for any tissue or for any cloth, if we have to wipe off any surface, it's necessary to have a special material which does not produce too many particles or fibers. I hope you learned something today. If so, please leave a comment, and see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye!